Good morning, it's me, Jennifer. Today's video is sponsored by Clinique, which is insane. Just wanted to say thank you to them. What up, hooligans? Today I'm gonna be doing my morning routine. It is actually morning and I feel like a lump of coal. Oh my gosh, my voice. I was debating whether or not I wanted to make this like an aesthetic morning routine or like realistic, and I feel like we're already off to a realistic morning, so yay, lump of coal energy. But yeah, I woke up at 9 today because I have an appointment, which I'll show you in a bit, but I have to leave in half an hour. I feel dead. Let's go. Welcome to my Asian looking bathroom. Okay, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and now it's time to apply moisturizer. That was weird, but let me bring you guys over here. So to end off my very short morning skincare routine, this is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour hydrator, and this stuff is really great for tired, dehydrated skin, which is me, check, and me, check. Well, because I am definitely dehydrated. I do not drink enough water any day. So this just like really helps out my skin, and especially coming up on the colder months and the drier months, my skin gets like really flaky. So I just feel like super glowy with this on. And it just like instantly hydrates and refreshes your skin. I have a very simple skin routine, so I don't like to put that much on it. I feel like this does a lot for me, which I enjoy. Oh my god, no. A bug was about to fly into the cap. So this has hyaluronic acid in it, which basically, in simple terms, floods your skin with hydration, which also means it instantly boosts the moisture in your skin and kind of like activates it to moisturize itself for 72 hours, which is a long time. And there's no parabens or fragrance or anything, and it basically leaves my skin with this like really healthy, natural looking glow, which I really like because I've been trying not to wear too much makeup lately just to clear up my skin. You can visit Ulta to get a free sample, and this is priced at just $39.50. I just can't get over how good my skin looks lately. Show you breakfast. Oh, cheers. I'm running super late. Hello guys. So because I don't go to school and I'm a YouTuber, my morning routine kind of varies from day to day. So today I have a lash appointment downtown, so that's what I'm going to. It's also an excuse for me to get out of the house and get some walking in. Ironically, I'm in a car right now, but later I will be vlogging. I booked this like kind of earlier in the morning just so that I would wake up earlier because I've been sleeping really late. So I'm trying to like reset my clock, but I'll continue with like my regular morning routine when I get back. My mom is driving the car. Hello. It's raining. Oh my god, I look like a different freaking person. Hello, I'm back from eyelash extensions. As you can tell, they're kind of intense actually. I prefer them when they fall out a little bit and look more natural, but feel like a new person. I'm back home now and I'm actually gonna do some bullet journaling because it just helps me organize my life a little bit. I get very mumble-jumbled up in my brain when I think about what I have to do and get really stressed like really easily. So journaling just helps me with that. When I'm filming this, October is coming up, so I'm gonna start planning. What am I trying to say? I'm just gonna start planning out my month of October. I'm also really cold now, so I put on my fuzzy Christmas socks. Hope you enjoyed that little detail. Okay, so I finally finished bullet journaling and planning out my month of October. So let me just show you guys the spread. So I basically just followed Amanda Rach Lee's October bullet journal, and this is like a moon phases thing. I think it's really cute. She used like white gel pen, but I don't have that, so I kind of just like used black and like didn't fill in certain spots, and that's how I got these. My October needs some work. My penmanship isn't like the prettiest. And then I've got to cover these up, but this is my month spread. I have a couple things filled in here but can't really show them. And then this is just my first week of October, and that's all I have for now. But this guy took a long time, but I'm very proud of it. I think it looks really cute. I also wanted to show you guys my mood tracker. That I have like at the front of my journal. I really like the idea of it, but I haven't been really like keeping up with it that well. So this is it. It was really good with it like at the beginning of the year in January and February, and then it kind of just like waned off, as you can tell. But I'm trying to get back into it because I feel like if I filled it out properly for the whole year, it would look really cool. And you would be able to see like at what points I was having a good time in my life and at what points I was not doing so well. Looks like in January I was having average days. April I had really good days. Oh dang. First couple days in September were really bad apparently. I don't remember why. What did I do in September? I know it's not the end of the day yet. Later on in the day I have to pick up my film that I got developed yesterday. I have to finish filming another video I'm doing and then film another video tomorrow. This I cannot do anymore. I think today I do have to send some notes on an email. I have to clean my room and I have to do some editing. So honestly, most of my day consists of just me being on my computer, whether it's me actually working or getting distracted. That kind of depends on the day and my mood. I really want to get into the habit of like getting outside of my room to work because I feel like it'll make me more motivated and actually be more productive. All right, I think I'm gonna clean my room for a little bit and then do some editing. Okay, it is now getting into the afternoon hours, so I guess this is like a morning routine slash afternoon routine. I'm using routine as a very general term because honestly my day-to-day vacillates a lot. It is very sunny now, which is strange because it was raining a lot earlier today, but the weather is just like kind of freaky right now because it's transitioning into fall and I'm sweating. As you can see, my skin is still thriving, still glowing, so shout out to Clinique. So thank you so much again to Clinique for sponsoring this video. It's still insane to me that they're sponsoring this. Shout out of the week is right here. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys next time. Bye!